ஹே காய்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனல். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம சென்னை போகிறோம். இது எங்கள் கிராமம். நான் வீடியோ போட்டு ரொம்ப நாள் ஆகுது. சரி, இன்றைக்கி ஒரு vlog எடுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எடுக்கிறேன். காலையில் பார்த்திங்கன்னா 6:30 ஆகுது. டைம் வந்து பைக்கில் போய் அங்கேருந்து ட்ரெயினில் போகிறது மாதிரி பிளான் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். பாருங்கள், இப்போ தான் சூரியன் உதயம் ஆகுது. ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க. பார்த்தீங்களா, இயற்கையாக இருக்குது, எவ்வளோ இயற்கையாக இருக்குது. ஓகே காய்ஸ், நான் போகிற வழியெல்லாம் வீடியோ எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிறேன். பாருங்கள், நான் சூரியன் உதயமாகுது. சூரியனுக்கு ஒரு குட் மார்னிங். லெட்ஸ் கோ. So I am reached in Nagarkoil railway station at time 6:15 a.m. The train is also always arrived at the railway station. When come up to the Guruvayur railway station, and I will find the seat in my coach. All set. Train is just moving. Okay, just talk about what is the matter of my journey. My journey about one of my practical exam in Chennai. This practical exam contained by Madras High Court exam. The travel vlog is fully talking in English. Is this my first time? And talk about my train travel and the track surrounding cities. Let's watch and search matters in Google and go with my voice over. That people are morning walking practice at tracks really close, cause the Southern Railway double track working is going on and the Nagarkoil railway station extension work is progresses. That's why they are making in big flat area in tracks really close. The temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. That is a normal hot day. The changing depends upon traveling cities throughout. That Southern Railways making small and big bridges in double track area. That's the reason always construction going on. Fully record video. The river is called Palayar, one of the oldest river in Kanyakumari district. The river source is Western Ghat mountains. The river is throughout of 15 kilometers in running in Kanyakumari district. That sands are really red. That's the reason the coconut trees are plant well. The bridges is constructed in 4-way. Project is going on. That few bridges is completed. That 4-way project is complete. And the traffic is little bit of going less. Kerala vehicles using the bridges as well. They are not coming in cities. There is the reason making big traffics in cities. That 4-ways are really using for slow down at traffic. There is agriculture area, cultivation is over the farmers. It's good to cultivating is rice this season well. The rainy season is starting as soon. The area is free upon months for breathing sand. This place is called Thovalai. It is one of the biggest flower market in Tamil Nadu. The surrounding area farmers cultivating flowers and they sell in this market. Famous flower market in South Tamil Nadu and Kerala. This place located in Western Ghat mountain downside. This place is Aralvaimudi wind farm. Once upon a time I am working this place over a year. In this place is highly wind flowing area in world. California is the most wind flowing area and the next area is this. So that area is lots of wind farm over 2000 and surrounding areas lots of wind farms. My father also working in this place. The most of the youngsters, the only source of income is wind farm. They completed his education and coming to the wind farm and planning to the career, but wind farm companies are give low salary. The youngsters decided to other jobs or either lots of they are going to abroads. This signal is locating in Nanganeri in Sengulam. Train in stop here in over 30 minutes. Finally crossing the train. Signal is going to green. Double track is only remedy to these waiting problems. This pond located in Nanganeri. Nanganeri is the dry land. Is this place water source depends in western coast, Nambi river. There were few months no rain in this place. That's the reason no water in this place. I reach in Tirunelveli. Tirunelveli means Thiru means respect, Nel means rice or food, Veli means safe of wall. The ruled kings put the name of this place is that reason. I will reach in Tirunelveli junction. I am in third compartment in train. That time I watched the curve of train was moving. I seems is wonderful. This train had 21 compartments. Few passengers on this train. My morning breakfast, turmeric rice, packed and got into my bag. I finished as well. This train going up on Tamarabarani river bridge. This river is called No Dry River and Life River. In this people, this river is source of water for two district people, Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi. This river coming from Agasthyar mountain and end of this river Sri Vaikundam in Thoothukudi. Over 19 km running in this river and joined in this sea. The lots of cities in developed on depends upon in this river. I am just arrived at Tirunelveli junction and take G in this station. This man going out in train while moving is doing not right, but he's doing every day maybe I think. I am falling asleep at 2.5 hours and I miss that take video at Kovilpatti and Chattur and Vanji Maniachi stations and areas. Cause this area land was very light, so the train was very slow down of 50 km speed only. That is the reason I am going to sleep. I am reached a place in Thirupparankuntam. This place is famous for Murugan temple. In this mountain, the station is located in close at this temple. I am really excited about this cause I really like God Murugan. I praying God Murugan and continue to journey to Madurai. I am reached at Madurai and the express Tejas is stopping here. The Tejas one of the non-stop train in India. This Madurai to Chennai going in non-stop include no signal for train. Little bit of expensive and foods are available in this train and all compartments are really closed. I am leaving at Madurai and I am filling my water bottle. That water is very so nasty. I am going up on a Vaigai river bridge. This is the very popular river in South India. In God's Kalalahar, Vaigai river goes is very famous festival in Tamil Nadu. This river is coming to in Mullai Periyar in Kerala via Theni. That really awesome to see this place. That place is Solavandan. Everything I seems look green. Very beautiful places. I cannot record video in the train because so much of crowd in this train. So lots of cities I missed. I will reach in Trichy and pass it away in Kaveri river. This river coming from Karnataka. This is so beautiful. This river. I am passing away in Trichy Kallaham station. Rain was coming. It is very excitement in me to see rain in while traveling train. My long time dream is coming true. It's very beautiful and very chillness overload. The heat was very comfortable for this in this situation. I am reaching in Viluppuram station and I am so tired. Buy some tea and biscuits and good train companion I'll get. He coming from Tengasi and we speak lot and time goes well. The sun goes down. I enjoy some golden time. What a greenery. Looks little bit of stress free because train is so much crowd and people always noisy. Thank God for this sunset. I will reach Chengalpattu to night time travel. But everywhere are looking big buildings and light pop-ups. Lots lots of IT companies and apartments. Looks very different for me because I'm not see this type of cities and constructions. This area called Mahendra City. Lots of big buildings and looks gorgeous. I will reach Peringalathur. How to find this area? Because over a kilometer of traffic lane is so long. This is the entrance of Chennai city and government makes bridge for less traffic and lots of small station coming. The electric trains are went in this station. The people's crowds are so many. They are not walking, they are flying. They are very fast moving and pass it away from me. The electric trains are so much crowd free. I am really excited about this is the night time. Alright, my train travel is over. My relative picked me up. This round bridge was very traffic. Everywhere look the police vehicles in there. Okay, see you to the next video.